Okay, so now here goes a high traffic area, as you could tell. Look at this. And you can catch the dirt. Here goes a Fanye executive level cleaning. This is the process. Mind you, this is natural tile floor. This is a natural stone, pardon me. Natural stone tile floor. Wow. So he put some solution on there, let it sit for a while. Then he comes in with this machine. And it's really about, look at that filth. Look at that dirt. Look at that dirty water. I know, it's embarrassing for me as a homeowner, but I must be honest.
I'm going to take care of you though, don't worry about it.
That's right. No embarrassment here. He just handles it. I'll let him talk about me behind my back.
No. No, you good. You good.
No worries. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that water. Oh, yes. And even after this, he still is going to do even more. Get those grout lines.
Absolutely.
Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you to see the end product. Look behind his foot there. You see all that? Look at that mess. Just sitting, this solution he used. Professional, industrial strength products. Trust me, I've been trying to do my floors myself for years. I can't do this.
I got you.
Executive level cleaning.
Executive level cleaning service. Take care of all your cleaning needs. Your floor, your ground line, your carpet.
I've never used him before, and I can't tell you how pleased I am. I will be using him again. I assure you of that. Wow. Alrighty, guys. Just thought I'd share.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Make it a great day, everybody.